Well, hi, hello again. I'm going to show you how to use AI and learn it in just 15 minutes a day. Now, this this doesn't have to be complicated, and a lot of people think it is. You literally can learn AI in 15 minutes a day. And I know because there's so many different systems and apps that it can get a little overwhelming, and I fully understand. That's why I say if you take 15 minutes a day, you can learn all these apps, all these AI tools. They're not that hard. It's actually so easy that once you figure it out, you're just going to laugh at yourself and go, why didn't I learn this before? So come with me as I take you on the journey of learning AI in just 15 minutes. Let's go. So for ChatGPT, now I already have an account with ChatGPT and I've been playing with ChatGPT for a while. However, with ChatGPT, once you start up, um, because I can't get it to go, I have to go incognito to show you how to get there. It's simple. You type in ChatGPT and you look for the Open AI. So right when you're first looking for it, always look for the one that says ChatGPT official. Some people click on this one and it's not. This is Open Art from OpenAI, but it's a completely different system. Right here, there's Claude. We're going to look at Claude tomorrow because these are 15 minutes guides or tutorials. There are quite a few platforms that you can use. You also have Google, you have Copilot. We're going to cover them all. So, but today we're going to stick with ChatGPT. We're going to start with ChatGPT because everybody knows about ChatGPT. So once you sign up, ChatGPT does have a paid, it does have a free. So it starts free. It does have a paid section, um, and I'll show you what that is. So I am on the $20 plan right now. It's 20 bucks a month. It's literally unlimited. I don't have to wait. I don't need a 25 one for business. I don't have like a team of people to work with. So I opted for the $20 one. Um, then you have the Pro, which is $200, which means you're like there's a group of people who will sign on and will be using this process. Um, and then it has a little bit more when you get the chance to go look at it. But I opted for the 20. The free, you get roughly about I think it's like 10 to 15 conversations with ChatGPT before you get turned off, and you have to wait till the next day. With the $20 a month, you can go as long as you want. You can ask a gazillion questions. The assistant is there to help you, guide you, show you, train you, mentor you, whatever you want to do with it, right? So I went ahead and named my chat GPT or my chatty, but most people call it Nova. So, right, she is my assistant, literally. She's my AI assistant. Whatever I need, she's going to be there to assist me. And um, after doing a full year of working with Chatty, not dealing with, working with Chatty, it is funny how when you train your model in what you want it to do, this is your response, right? You can build or train your AI tool to respond, your assistant to respond to you in a way that's comfortable for you, right? Um, the personalization is right here. And what you do is you go to each one and you add what you want to add to it. So Um, what I wanted was warm, enthusiastic headers and listings, emoji if possible. That's what you wanted. And then I put custom instructions in here for her to be talkative and conversational, tell like it is, don't sugarcoat responses, take a forward thinking view, quick use quick and clever humor when appropriate, use an encouraging tone. That's how I wanted my chatty to talk back to me because that's how I try to talk to people to get them to open up when I'm trying to help them solve a problem. I don't get bossy and rude and intrusive. I try to build a level of trust with people so that they can communicate with me so then I can help them. Chatty is roughly the same. If you don't like this kind of thing, then you build it however you want. If you want it to be mean, it will. You don't want it to be mean, it won't. That's just how it is, right? Um, and that's how you get your personality. So Nova's here to help me, right? So because Nova is aware that I will come up with ideas, would it be 5 a.m. to 5 p.m., 1 a.m. to 1 p.m., her mode is always set to help me work on something, whether it's a challenge or not. And that's the goal. To give your assistant something that you have in your head that you want to work on. So let me see. I want to create an ebook that will help people um, stay organized, act as an expert organizational specialist, and give me 5 book ideas and additional suggestions that would make uh, ebook sensible. It's what you get when you're trying to type with long nails. I'm testing these. I'm showing these to the girlies. I don't know how you guys do it with the long nails, but um, it was a bet, and I'm working with it. I'm working with it. Occasionally, we forget how to spell, but that's extremely sensible. This book would make this book worth buying because I may opt to do this out. So, right. So she's understood what I'm asking for, and she's gonna give me some suggestions on what the book idea should be about, what's the name of the book, and what it should cover, and everything. So here, let's see the first one says, The Life Reset System, subtitle, A Simple 30-Day Method to Organize Your Time, Space, and Mind Without Overwhelm. The book will cover life audit, physical space reset, time blocking for real humans, decision fatigue reduction, weekly reset rituals. Why people will buy it isn't just organization, it's stop drowning. Right? Book number 2 idea is organized after overwhelm. Um, It covers organizing when energy is low, microsystems instead of big ones, good enough organization. Visual systems, recovery friendly. Book number 3, The Digital Clutter Detox, how to organize your phone, email files, and digital life in 7 days. People are desperate for this, she says. What it covers: phone home screen setup, email inbox, file naming systems, cloud and Google Drive, social media boundary systems. Oh, I might go with that one. The fourth one is the home command center. Create one central system that runs your entire household. Um, he says this sells hard to women 40 plus. What it covers: family calendar system, bill tracking, meal planning and grocery flow, school medical appointments tracking, emergency info hub, and it goes over a bunch of other stuff. Organize, and number 5 is the organized money, organized life. Subtitle: simple system to track bills, subscriptions, spending, and financial peace. Organization plus money equal instant value. What it covers: subscription audits, bill tracking, financial document organization, spending clarity without budgeting shame, and quarterly money. Now, these are all good. Oh, and she does offer additional add-ons that can increase the value, right? So you can add quite a few things from fillable PDFs, print-friendly versions, simple icons and visual cues, progress trackers, gentle language, no hustle guilt, right? Smart upsells, um, and then I always ask her to suggest, right? Like, so what I did with the prompt, I asked her to suggest. So she's suggesting some ideas that will make this work. And that's it. That's all you need. You have to know how to talk to Chatty to get the results that you want. So based on what I got back from Chatty right now, I will go do a deep dive, select one of the options, and then she's going to help me figure out what to do next. And that's based on what I wanted to do, based on my questions and how I was asking. And you get results that way. So this was your 15 minutes of getting stuff together. Well, it was more like 10 minutes because this is just the first part of showing you how to ask. And there you go. Now, was that hard? I don't think so. I think we let a lot of things get the better of us and we get a little overwhelmed really quick with things. It's really not that complicated. And I know the whole push with AI, it sends a lot of mixed signals, mixed messages when people are actually using AI for the wrong purposes. And I think some people don't get the joke sometimes with AI because it's fun. It's not that complicated. So if you like what you saw and you want to learn more, like, subscribe, and follow, and go look at it on my YouTube channel. I'll post it there too. Talk to you guys later. Ciao.